what's in here, ammonium chloride. And the first thing that we want to try to do is identify whether this is an endo or exothermic reaction. The cool thing about this is you don't need to mix in any liquids or anything else. All you have to do is mix our crystals together. So one thing I'm going to do to help you see all this stuff out is I've taken a little bit of water and I've spritzed it down onto this wooden block. And I'm going to place this beaker on top of that water right here. We'll see why in a sec. So what I'm going to do is mix the two of these together. If you're looking at that sheet, you'll notice that one of the products of this reaction is NH3. NH3 is ammonia, and you don't necessarily want to breathe that in. It's a gas. If you've ever had smelling salts and smelled them up, they wake you right up. That smell sticks with you for a long time. That's from ammonia. So if you start to smell anything, number one, move away from the hood. I'll turn this switch on and it will pump out all the gas that's in this hood. But here's all I need to do to start this reaction. I've got a little glass stirring rod and I just need to mix these two solids together. And what you should notice right away is there should be some changes. And the other thing we want to look for, since we're looking at temperature, or we're looking at energy, is temperature. Oh, you can already smell it now.
Gonna be an explosion.
So I'm mixing things together. Just tell me if you're noticing any changes.
I noticed that it's moving.
Is the texture changing?
Getting puffy.
We notice a change?
No. What is changing?
I'm going to turn on the hood a little bit.
Turn on the side.
You can see kind of like air changing.
Do you smell anything? I don't smell anything.
Air
Do you smell anything?
No, but I'm confused.
It's all good.
I'm confused.
Notice any changes?
The texture is changing.
It's melting.
Oh.
It's a liquid
Yeah, you're just going.
or paste.
Any changes?
Turn
The
to a liquid.
is it? I thought,
There's like a white cloud around it. There's something missing.
Do we see anything change in here? What happened?
it's stuck
What's
to
up?
it's a little bit. Oh, just so you know it's spilled.
Oh, that's water from the block. What happened?
The form that it is.
Vacuum that sucked up the wooden block and made it stick to the bottom of the beaker.
What do you think happened to the temperature?
Decrease.
Decrease? How do you know?
Because the water touches the glass.
You can touch it.
It feels cold.
I'm not trying to die, bro.
I can't feel
I want to feel.
my arm
I
can't
want to
stretch.
die too. Oh, bro, that's actually really cold.
It's really cold. It's really cold.
It's hot.
Yep.
Called it, man.
So what
I
happened?
smell it.
Yeah, I can't smell something. I'm gonna die.
It's all good. Yeah, it smells bad. Get you?
I don't smell it.
It's not super
Oh,
strong, but
never mind.
yeah.
It doesn't smell bad. It just
Well, I'm used to it though.
yeah, like
You see my mom, like, please, I know.
it doesn't smell bad, but it's like I noticed the smell.
Yeah, it's not that bad though.
Okay. So that's our fancy endothermic or exothermic?
Oh, that's an endo.
Endo.
How do we know?
Because it cooled down.
It cooled down. It took.
It took all the energy.
So where did that energy come from? Where did it take energy from?
Well, the two.
The water?
Water, right?
Yeah.
Because what happened to the water?
The water, what's it called? It evaporated? Did it? I don't know.
Did the water evaporate? What happened?
It
It froze.
Oh, that's why it's stuck.
the water.
Yeah, the frozen water is clinging both to the beaker and to the block. That's what's holding it up. So it took all the energy from the liquid water, and as it took more and more energy from that water, from its heat, the water started to freeze.
It brought the molecules together, so.
Yeah, no.
Will we have to like demonstrate this in our lab report?
No. But it's another chemical reaction. We're talking about how does our energy change from beginning to end? Where is energy coming in? Where is it exiting out? That's what we want to talk about during our lab report. So what I want you guys to do for the next about 15 minutes is to work through the questions that start off that paper regarding this